Good PM. Ngayon po ay Monday, January 8, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM legit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong Monday, January 8, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong January 8, 2024 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Monday, January 8, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 125 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 estimated jackpot price is 630 million pesos for January 8, 2024 Monday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Monday, January 8, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more Lotto result update.